Hello, Sangkay. This is your Sangkay Ariel. In this video tutorial, I will share with you on how to manage the layer manager and Xref. But before that, if you are new with my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. So whenever I have a new video tutorial uploaded on my channel, you're always notified and updated. So in this tutorial, I will share with you on how to manage the Xref and the layer property manager. Okay, so I have here an example of drawing. This is a coordinated drawing. This is a small office renovation. So in here, I have the lighting, power plan, flooring, and ceiling Xref in this drawing. Okay, for example, let's type XR for the Xref. So there are 4 trades coordinated or integrated in this drawing: the lighting plan, power plan, flooring plan, and the reflected ceiling plan. Okay, so if I unload the lighting, so it will be unloaded here, then unload and unload. Okay, so but before anything else, I would like to tell you that before doing this kind of operation, I hope that you know already on how to make the Xref integrated or coordinated in a certain drawing. Okay, so if not, just go to my just visit on my channel. I have also a separate tutorial on how to make an Xref. So here we are just managing the Xref and the layer property manager as well. Okay, so let's reload this lighting, reload power, and reload. Okay, now our task is to prepare a drawing or to print a drawing hiding other trades other than the drawings that we need. For example, I want to print only the general plan without including the other trade. By doing that, we have to go to paper space or the layout. It's in here. Okay, so we are now in the paper space. This is a title block with a size of I think this one is A2. So, okay, A2. Yeah. Okay, then let's make a viewport, MV for short. Yeah. As you noticed, that everything that you will see in the model space, it will be seen also here. But we need to assign a certain scale for our drawing to be more accurate. We are preparing now a drawing ready for printing, so we have to be more specific when it comes to scale. So I have to assign a scale. Scale 1:50. So I think this one is pretty good enough. Okay, just let us put this one on the center. Okay, then let's lock the viewport. Okay, now why I lock the viewport? Because even if I will go inside my model space, it will not move inside my viewport. For example, if you will not lock, let's unlock for this one, then you will go inside in the model, so you will accidentally move or lost your scale. Okay, so again, I have to assign a scale 1:50. Then I have to put in the center something like this. Then I have to lock. Yes. Okay, then our next task is to hide the unnecessary Xref I want only my general plan to be shown in this drawing. So by doing that, go inside, quick double click inside. So meaning you are in the modular space, but you are in the mode of paper space. Okay? So now you see our cursor. It's already, our crosshair is inside. So meaning we are now in the modular space. Then if you want to go out, just go outside and quick double click outside. Okay. So you are now in the paper space. Okay? So your crosshair are already maximizing inside your paper space. If you are in the modular space, our crosshair, you see, it's also inside. When you are in the outside, our crosshair, okay, it's different. Okay, let's go to the modular space. Double click inside our viewport. Okay, we are now in the modular space. Then I have to remove or to hide unnecessary Xref. Go to layer properties here. Go to Xref in here. Okay. Then I have to hide lighting. Select lighting and go to the layer name. Select all, right click, then select all. Then in the BP Priest, click this like a sun, like a square with the sun. Click. Okay. BP Priest meaning viewport priest. So we are pressing all the layer inside our viewport. Let's check. So all my lighting were gone. Next is the power. Select, right click, select all, then viewport priest all. Okay, all my power were gone. Then next, flooring, select all, viewport priest all. Yes, my flooring is gone. Layer, reflected ceiling, select all, viewport priest, yes. Then only my general plan remain in this drawing. Okay, then rename here, proposed general layout. Okay, then it's up to you what kind of drawing number you want to put in here. Maybe let's for ER01. This. Okay, that's it. Then let's go to flooring. Flooring, again, let's make a viewport. Then in here, then let's make in the center, and let's assign a scale 1:50. Yeah, pretty good. Yes. Then let's lock. Okay, then go inside modular space, go to layer. So what is our task here? We have to keep only the flooring, so we have to hide the lighting. Select all, viewport priest. Okay, let's check. So the lighting were gone. So next, power, select all, then viewport priest. Then flooring, we have to keep it, we have to skip it. Let's jump to reflected ceiling, select all, then viewport priest, then it's gone. So only the flooring retained in our drawing. Another, I want to improve this drawing. I want my base plan to be monochromatic or light gray or dark gray. It's up to you, so that my flooring will be emphasized and it's like popping up. By doing that, let's go to layer. Since my base plan is not an Xref, so go to here, all non-Xref layers. So select in here, okay, then select the layers. For example, so the layers, select all, Then go to BP color. BP color meaning viewport color. So I want the color in viewport something, let's say this 251. Okay, then okay. So as you notice that my base plan become gray all or number 251. Then I have to hide or freeze the unnecessary element. For example, these markings, the window tag and the door tag. What else? So I think it's enough. So in this drawing, it's very clean. It's only the flooring is more emphasized in this drawing. Let's check in the model. In the model, there is still there. Even the color is not affected. So it's only in here. Very clear? So let's proceed to power. Again, there's no viewport. Let's make the viewport. Then it's in here. Then let's go inside the model and place our drawing a little bit in the center. Then let's assign the scale. It's in here. That's pretty good. Then it's in here. Then let's lock our okay, and it's now to hide the unnecessary Xref. We have only to keep the power. Okay, let's go in here, go to Xref, lighting, must hide, select all, viewport please, it's okay. Then let's skip the power because this is the Xref that we want to keep. Go, let's jump to flooring, select all, viewport please, yes. Then proceed to reflected ceiling, select all, viewport please. Then let's go to the base plan, the all non-Xref layers. Then select all, go to viewport color. Then I have to select 251, same as before. It's done. Now let's check. It's time to remove or to hide unnecessary elements. This one, and this one. So see, we have now a very clean drawing. And let's check in the model, but in the model it's still there. Okay, let's proceed to lighting. Now again, no viewport, MB for short. Let's make the viewport from here to the other corner, and let's move this one a little bit on center, and let's assign the scale. It's 1:50. Yes, it's pretty good. Then okay, then let's lock the viewport. Then it's time to hide the unnecessary Xref. So we are now keeping only the lighting. So let's proceed to power, select all, viewport please, flooring, select all, viewport please, reflected ceiling, viewport, select all, viewport please, and the all non-Xref, select all, viewport color, 251, same with the other one. Then I think everything is okay, and time to hide the unnecessary element. And this one, and the door tag, I think. Bingo. So we have now lighting. The lighting are more emphasized. Okay, then let's proceed to ceiling. Again, there's no viewport. Let's make the viewport from this corner to this corner and move a little bit on the center. And then let's assign a scale, 1:50, same as before. Let's adjust a little bit in here. Then it's time to lock the viewport. Then let's hide the unnecessary Xref. Same procedure as we did before. Now the ceiling will be kept on that, and the other Xref will be hidden. select all, viewport freeze, power, select all, viewport freeze, flooring, select all, viewport freeze, and go to none, Xref, select all. Then for the color, we have to copy same color as before. Now let's check. So the ceiling is more highlighted, and it's time again to hide the unnecessary elements. Okay, now it's more cleaner and our drawing is more presentable. Okay, then let's check to the model. So in the model, our drawing are intact. No object were hidden, no Xref were hidden only on the paper space. So when you print this drawing, it will be printed same like this. And when you print the flooring, so it will be printed as same as shown in here. Same with the power. See? So that's all, folks. That's how I hope that I contributed a lot regarding the management of Xref and layer in this tutorial. So see you on my next video, but please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So I am always motivated to make more and more and more video tutorial regarding AutoCAD. Thank you and bye bye. See you on my next video. God bless everyone.